we kicked it, you've been caught up with the bitches that don't get it. You're a star love. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I'll never make you feel like that. 'Cause I love me enough for the both of us. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us. So what are you being so afraid of? Darling, you give but you cannot take love.
Alright, so we're finally leaving. It's like noon. I know we woke up so late because we got home so late and we didn't go to sleep till like what, 6 a.m.?
Yeah, literally.
So this is good for us, honestly. But we're in our little bikinis.
We're going to Tostada.
Yeah, we're going to get breakfast. Well, brunch now at this point. We're going to get some food and then we're gonna walk down to the beach. So like 6-minute walk.
Oh, it's so pretty outside.
It is so pretty. It's hot too. Activities that we were gonna do right up there. It's called like an elevated like dining experience or something like that. And we were gonna do it, but we ended up not. Decided to do other things instead. But the fact that like we can see it from here is crazy. This is like right outside our B&B.
Because I'll be walking and not. Oh, they probably use
It's not
this
that high,
food.
but it's always scared as fuck.
Like they probably use this restaurant.
Breakfast. I ended up getting like lunch though. I got, what is it?
Yours
A cheddar grilled chicken and bacon sandwich, and then they gave me some like little chips on the side. What'd you get?
I got a bacon, egg, and cheese on a French toast, and I think these are yuca chips.
And look at this.
And we got mimosa.
Yeah.
Because you already know.
Pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay.
I wanted to take some pictures like down there because it's like more like leaves and stuff. It looks more tropical, but it's blocked off. I don't know if we're allowed to go over there, so I'm gonna just play it safe. Some more clips, and then we're gonna go to the beach. We're kind of a little bit behind schedule. It's so hot.
Wait, but
What?
we were actually supposed to turn right there.
Bitch. Turn where? Left or right?
Left. Should I stop in there and see if they have sunblock?
You need it.
Oh, I need it. The beach is straight ahead though.
Is my edges still intact? Oh, they is. Period. This is so small. Oh, we don't have it. Oh, that rolling tray is kind of cool. It's hot.
Oh, you the vape?
Don't work.
Bro, we picked the perfect Airbnb for distance.
Yeah, it's pretty
Literally,
close.
we're by everything. We're about to go to the beach. So excited!
I want to take a picture with the palm tree.
Wait, that's beautiful.
Oh my
But we're
god,
about-
this is so pretty.
I'm actually so fucking excited.
Oh my god, you guys. This is gorgeous. Like, wow. Finally made it to the beach, set up our towels and everything. I definitely need to go get in the water because it's so hot, but it's beautiful. I am obsessed. A little scared, so I'm not gonna get too deep, but actually first you wanna take a shot first?
Oh, yeah.
Because I need to lighten up the mood a little bit. I put mad sand on my towel. Let me stop. I'm gonna go straight to hell.
I can't with you.
Is it the truth or not?
No, it is. It is.
Oh my god, my edge is lifting. Ah! I just threw sand everywhere. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
I'm gonna have to cover it for pictures. Oh my god, how is it that hot? I'm gonna cover it with the braid. Woo! Okay, I'm putting this back.
My car with the tents, my anthem with
Been a minute since we kicked it, you've been caught up with the bitches. I don't get it, you're a star love. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I'll never make you feel like that. 'Cause I love me enough for the both of us. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us. So what are you so afraid of? Darling, you give, but you cannot take love.
Now we enjoyed ourselves. I gotta put on my shoes though before I get on the street. That was weird. My Bluetooth is off though. That's weird.
It's not me. I'm not even touching.
All right, so we just left the beach. I really enjoyed myself. The water was so warm. I don't know why I was expecting it to be colder, but we're heading back to the Airbnb now. It's like a 6-minute walk. We took pictures. Got a lot of content. We're gonna go back to the Airbnb, like shower, and then get ready to go to Old San Juan. I'm excited for it. It's gonna be fun. We're probably gonna stay there late and then do dinner. So we get back from that, we're gonna get ready and then go back to La Placita. Are they? Oh, we were supposed to go.
We're lit like after we got back.
No, I'm talking about right now. I'm a little lit, but that's why I said we should, like, halfway through, we should start the pregame. Just for Old San Juan. So we don't have to bring any. And then when we come back, then we'll really pregame. The vibe change was crazy. That's the side eyes. This is where we ate for breakfast, brunch. It was really cute. It was good too.
Once again, ran it up. I told her mama, shot him out of young. I'm already knowing.